Hello everyone, welcome back. We're over at Merrimart Farms today, trucking corn. We want to switch trucks out so Corky can fill this one, and I'll take the orange one back to the bin site and unload it. Corky, I'm supposed to be full. Corky told me earlier we can get this field done today, but I had to keep the trucks rolling. Well, trucks rolling. They just ain't full for me to take. He's getting her done now. Definitely looks and feels like fall. Windy out, 52 degrees or something. A little chilly, but perfect combine and corn weather. Better be coming over here to fill the truck. Don't ask me how much one of these truck holds, because it'd be like asking me how many miles a penguin walks in a day. I just have no idea. This corn is 18.5%, so it's going in the drying bin to get dry down to about 15. And then we'll probably transfer it into another bin from there for storing or selling, whatever they decide. Here he comes. Milking time. Baby boy's on it.
Hey, buddy.
Biggs is on it. He's still, sometimes he talks like crazy on the camera, and the next minute he's like mute. Biggs, are you a mute?
No.
Then say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
No, not to me, the camera.
Hello, everybody.
See, Dave said it. I talked to our local Kinsey dealer, and right now my planter has in-furrow fertilizer for starter fertilizer, and I want to change it 2x2 so I can put nitrogen down. So I got a quote. We'll go from there. We'll see how it pans out. That's what I want to change it to. Just gonna have to see.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lions Family Farms. Today I'm going to pressure wash this wall off. It's definitely one of the jobs that's higher on my list of favorites. But it's something that needs done now and then. You know, it makes the barn look a lot cleaner and makes the inspectors a lot happier. So we got hose in here. Got the pressure washer hooked up here, so we're ready to rock and roll. Well, I welcomed everybody back when I started this wall. I thought it was a new video, but I just was informed that it's not. But welcome back anyway. So we got this little section done. You can tell it makes quite a difference. It's a shame it'll only last about 5 minutes before it gets splattered up because one of these ladies need to drop a deuce. Good headway. Got all this done. Now we just have this section up here to do yet. So we're about 2/3 of the way there. Oh, someone really left her fly that time. That's impressive. Alright, that's that. Got her done. Everybody do me a favor and take a picture so it lasts longer. Pit stop at home. Look who it is. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you playing in the sandbox? That's cool. That's cool, man. So you might remember from a previous video, we started putting this hydrated lime in to the stalls, help dry them out and lower the somatic cell. But we were only doing it every other day when we put shavings in. But our vet recommended putting in every milking, so we started doing that here in the last couple of days, and you know, it seems to really make an even bigger difference like it should. So I think for now we're gonna keep going at that pace. Man, that's depressing. I wasn't even gone for 30 minutes. The cows just didn't appreciate what I was doing. Oh, here comes the big man. Hey, buddy.
Hi, Dave.
What's on your mind today?
Let's get this work done.
Yeah, we'll try.
How's the wall paint?
It's starting to get covered in manure again.
It's awful.
So it took pretty much a whole bucket to do the whole barn in there. So I got it filled back up. There's about 1 bucket worth still in that bag. So that's, you know, 4 milkings per bag, and if I remember right, I think they're $11. So I think that's a relatively cheap investment to try and improve stall quality, and then, you know, which will improve milk quality as well.
Dave has this camera lime coated, so I have no idea what he was doing. So I need to check these soybeans to see where we're at. So hopefully next week, I'm thinking maybe we could do them. Ah, man, still squishy. That one crunched, but not very hard. No, these beans ain't ready, which is very unfortunate. Well, that field ain't ready. Let's check this one here, but I'm seeing a trend of not being ready, which is unfortunate. This field looks more dead actually, but. Well, everyone, that's gonna wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one.